Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So today we are going to start our science of class 3rd first chapter. Name is living and non-living things. So students, what are living things and non-living things? Living things are those have feelings. They can walk, they can jump, they can kick, they can move from one place to another. Okay, they all are living things. And what are non-living things? Non-living things do not have feelings. They cannot walk, they cannot jump, they cannot kick, they don't have feelings, they cannot move from one place to another. Okay, they all are called non-living things. For example, living things examples are human beings, animals, plants, birds. They all are called living things. And examples of non-living things are rock, building, road, vehicles, cars, books. They all are called non-living things. Okay students, so now we are going to start our next topic, naturals and man-made things. What are natural things and man-made things? Okay, natural things are those which are provided by nature. जो हमें किससे प्रोवाइड होता है? नेचर से प्रोवाइड होता है, जो गॉड ऑलरेडी बनाए होते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, सन, मून, water, rocks, etc. are all natural things. Okay, they are provided by nature and created by God. Okay, and what are man-made things, students? Man-made things are those which are made by man. Okay, जो man made करते हैं. Okay, जो man बनाते हैं. For example, vehicles, buildings, रोड्स आर मेड बाय ह्यूमन्स. ओके, ये कौन बनाता है? ह्यूमन्स बनाते हैं. ठीक है. सो दे आर कॉल्ड मैन मेड थिंग्स. सो लुक हियर, दे आर नेचुरल थिंग्स एंड दे आर हियर आर मैन मेड थिंग्स. ओके, फीचर्स ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, living things need food and they grow, move, feel, breathe, reproduce and die. So students, as we all know that we all need food. Okay, we all need food to live. If we do not get food to live, we cannot live properly. We will feel weak. Okay, so we all need food to grow, we all need food to move, feel, breathe, reproduce. Okay, so living things need food to live. All living things need food to live because food gives us energy. Okay, and help us to grow. For example, most plants make their own food. Okay, as we all know that plants make their own food, and what they need to grow? They need air, water and sunlight. They all need air, water and sunlight. All plants need air, water and sunlight. If water, air and sunlight will not get to the plants, plant will not grow. Okay, different living things need different types of foods. We all need different types of food. For example, human beings eat cereals, pulses, vegetables, etc. And what animals need? Animals need grass. Okay, animals need grass to live. For example, cow, buffaloes, deer, horses, etc. Many animals. Okay, now here what birds need? Birds need grains, insect and fruits. They eat, some birds eat grains, some birds eat insect and some fruits. So students, all living things need food to grow. So now tell me, non-living things can food to grow? No, they don't need food to grow. They all are non-living things. They cannot need food to grow. Okay, living things grow. Okay, as we all know that all living things grow. Okay, our human babies, look here, our human babies grow into an adult. Okay. Human babies grow into an adult. A baby plants grow into an plant. Okay, a baby plants grow into a big plants. First it will be seed. Okay, then it will grow into a big plant. Small plants then grow into a big plants. Okay, so as we know that living things grow, so tell me students, non-living things can grow? No, non-living things cannot grow. Non-living things cannot need a food to live. For example, table, house, car, etc. grow into something big. वो big होते हैं? No, they cannot grow into something big because they are non-living things. They cannot move from one place to another. Okay, so non-living things don't grow. They will destroy, but they don't grow. Living things move on their own. As you all know that all living things move on their own. We can move from one place to another. Okay, look here. Living things such as horses, humans, birds, fish, insect, etc. move from one place to another on their own. Okay, they move from one place to another. We can move it. Okay, but plants don't move from one place to another. Plants move नहीं करते one place to another. They just show a movement. वो क्या शो करते हैं? मूवमेंट शो करते हैं. वो one place to another मूव नहीं करते. For example, sunflower always faces the sun. Okay, it changes its direction with the sun. वो कैसे अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज करता है? सन के अकॉर्डिंग वाइज. ओके, so plants don't move from one place to another. They just show a movement. Okay, have you seen books moving on their own? आपने कभी देखा है बुक्स मूव हो रहे अपने आप से? No, they move when you move them. वो कब मूव होगी? जब आप उसको मूव करेंगे. Okay, thus we can say that non-living things don't move on their own. We can say that non-living things don't move on their own. If you will move a book from one place to another, then only they will move. Otherwise, they will not move. Okay, students. So we are stopping here. We will continue this chapter in next video. So till then, keep learning. Thank you.